What is up, everybody? Okay, today we're going to talk about searching. Searching for things. If you're like me, you have literally a billion things in your library. You don't know how to search for anything. And a lot of the times I just wanted to search for compatible figures. So that's where this kicks in nicely. If you go into this new search filter, you have some cool little options, love. You've got this little handy thing, right? You can type in key, whatever. You can put them two dots, okay? Put the proper two dots. And then you can type Genesis 9. Click on the category that you want. You can click on everything, it's fine. It'll just take a little bit longer. But if you click on something like figures, it'll automatically bring up the figures. And here's what's pretty cool about this is like it'll put all your Genesis 9 figures first. Everything first. And then once it's done with your Genesis 9, it'll fall back onto your, oh, this one doesn't, cool. Okay, this gives you all your Genesis 9 figures. Everything that you've got, and also if you've got this on all, it'll give you the ones that you haven't installed, everything like that. If you want to go to Genesis 8, you can do the same with this, and it'll fall back on all of your Genesis 8. You can say 8.1, 8, whatever you want, and it'll show you everything that you've got. If you've got on all, it'll show you all the figures that you have for Genesis 8, which is pretty cool. Same thing with hair. If you want Genesis 8 hair, and it'll show you all the Genesis 8 hairs, and if you go to Genesis 9 hairs, it'll give you everything there. And if you type in something like male, you can try different things, right? It'll give you all of them that are compatible. I guess Genesis 9, everything's compatible, but so you can literally just type in key here. There's a couple of things if you know names or whatever. We'll get into those. This is just a real quick tutorial to show you. If you type in key with your two dots and type in, go to a category that you're looking for and type in something like shoes. Shoes. It'll give you all the categories of where you can find your shoes that you need or whatever. Here's the wardrobe, here's the shoes. So this is very helpful if you're looking for something. Very cool and helpful. You want figures, Genesis 9 only. You want the hairs that only fit Genesis 9 or 8 or 8.1. You want anything you want. You can just search or utilities that only work for 9 or 8. You can automatically just quickly jump into here, type in key, those two dotty things or whatever the hell it's called. Type it in here, choose a category to hone it down, and you're good to go. Anyway, I hope this quick tip helps. I hope you have a lovely weekend. I'll speak to you later. Bye, guys.